Hey everyone, welcome to Knoll Tech. Today I'll show you how to change your voice on Snapchat using voice filters. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. You'll land on the camera screen. Now, tap the search icon in the bottom right corner. Here you can explore different Snapchat filters and effects. In the search bar at the top, type voice changer. You'll see a list of voice filter options appear. Scroll through the results to find a filter you like. There are a few to choose from. Tap on any voice changer filter to preview it. Once you find one you like, you can record a video with the filter applied. The voice effect will automatically change your voice in real time. Try out different voice filters to see which one works best for you. You can share these directly with friends on Snapchat or save them to your camera roll. And that's it. You've successfully changed your voice on Snapchat. If this tutorial helped you, drop a like and subscribe to Knoll Tech for more quick tutorials. See you in the next one.